Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to construct a triangle given the lengths of two sides and the size of the inclusive angle. We're going to construct a triangle given the lengths of two sides and the inclusive angle. Alright, so the example says, construct the triangle PQR such that PQ is 8 centimeters, PR is 6 centimeters, and the angle RPQ is equal to 60 degrees. Alright, so I just want to discuss it with you a little before we actually do it. The first thing I would do is I would start by drawing the longest side, which is PQ. This is 8 centimeters. Please listen. If ever you're doing a triangle and you know the length of two sides and the inclusive angle, you start by drawing what? One side. Then you're going to draw the inclusive angle. The angle is 60 degrees. Watch me. So, where do I draw this angle? Do I draw it at P or do I draw it at Q? Here's how you answer that question. If three letters are used to reference an angle, the angle is always at the letter in the middle. So at P, I'm going to construct a 60-degree angle, which we know how to do also well.
Yes, sir.
Then we'll construct it. Then now we're going to draw the line PR. What is the length of PR?
6 centimeters.
So from here through here, I draw PR. And PR is 6 centimeters. So now what I've drawn is two sides and the inclusive angle. Once I know where PR and Q is, the final step is to draw a line connecting what?
R and Q.
R and Q. And you would have your triangle. Ladies and gentlemen, please draw a line segment PQ of length 8 centimeters. Draw line segment PQ of length 8 centimeters. This is P. And this is Q, and the length of it is 8 centimeters. So the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to construct the 60-degree angle. Alright? We already concluded that we're constructing the 60-degree angle where?
In the middle.
No,
At P.
we're constructing it at P. Y'all should remember I did tell you that you all needed to what? Practice. Open your compass to a suitable radius. Remember the joint of your compass should be what? Sufficiently what? Tightened. You open your compass to a suitable radius. Suitable mean not too wide and not too narrow. Then I'm going to put the metal tip at P. Why? Because I need to construct the 60-degree angle at P. Put the metal tip at P and I scribe my arc. Y'all remember this?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I scribe my arc. Y'all remember that this is what? 0 degrees. Remember? So this is C. I then move the metal tip without shifting the compass. I must ensure it comes around and cut the line what? PQ. I then, without shifting the compass, I move the metal tip from P and put it at C and scribe my arc. Scribe a second arc to cut the first arc. Scribe a second arc to cut the first arc. A line from P through here will give me 60 degrees. A line from P through here will give me 60 degrees. Ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to draw next is the line PC. PR. What I'm going to draw next is the line PR. What is the length of PR?
6 centimeters.
So I line it up and I ensure that it is 6 centimeters. The angle here is 60 degrees. PR is 6 centimeters. PQ is 8 centimeters. And the angle between them is how much? 60 degrees. So essentially what I have are what? The lengths of two sides and the inclusive angle. Essentially what I have are the lengths of what? Two sides and the inclusive angle. The last step is to draw a line connecting what? R and Q. Everybody do the same. Yes, it should. It means if it's not 60, it means that maybe your thing was shifted. It means that maybe it's shifted. So. What's the reason? It's shifted. Once it's shifted, it's going to affect the accuracy. No. Last thing. Draw a line connecting Q and R. Draw a line connecting Q and R. So again, if you're constructing a triangle, given the length of two sides and the inclusive angle, the order is always side first, inclusive angle, second side, and then the last step is to draw the third side. So I've done I. What did they say next? Angle PRQ. If I ask you to measure angle PRQ, which angle am I asking you to measure?
Q.
If I ask you to measure PRQ, angle PRQ, which angle am I asking you to measure? R. The angle that they're referring to is always in the middle. It's always at the letter in the middle. Alright, let's have a go. So let's position our protractor to measure that angle. Let's position our protractor to measure that angle. So align up a protractor like this. The notch of the protractor, the center of the protractor must go to the vertex of the angle. The center of the protractor must go to the vertex of the angle. One side of the angle must run along the zero of the protractor. One side of the angle must run along the zero of the protractor. Then I'm going to what? Measure the angle using the scale that starts from 0. That scale for me is the inner scale. So it's 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Mine is 72. Mine is 72 degrees.
Mine is 72.
Mine is 72 degrees.
So
So to answer the examiner, I would say that angle PRQ is equal to 72 degrees. And this is II. Angle PRQ is equal to 72 degrees. Two things. If your drawing was not accurate, you're not going to get 72. 1, 2.